How did you scale your business up? How did you build your business from originally getting a license to running the 7-figure legal weed business?
We were really heavy on this marketing platform called Weed Maps. It's a publicly traded company, but essentially what Weed Maps is that you pay Weed Maps for advertising space on their website because they already have a lot of traffic and audience that visits their website. Depending on what city you're based in, they'll allow you to advertise in that specific city. So say if you're in Oakland, California, you log on to Weed Maps, then Weed Maps is going to show you all the different retailers that are within your city.
Like Uber for weed or something.
It's kind of essentially like a Uber Eats for weed. However, Weed Maps is just an advertising platform. So they're showing you all the different businesses. It's more like a Yelp, I would say.
Right. I see what you're saying.
So we were really heavy on that. That allowed us to scale the business. But the issue with that was there's only a set amount of people that are going on to Weed Maps. And a lot of retailers were living and dying by Weed Maps. So if you're only focusing on Weed Maps and you're not focusing on any other types of marketing strategies, then you're just going to run yourself dry, because if they have 1 million people logging on to Weed Maps every week, that's going to be around the average amount of website visits that they get. That's kind of like the max.
That's your biggest,
that's the
your
max
biggest
amount of
thing
people.
right
It's not like Google where there's hundreds of millions of people searching on Google for weed delivery services or dispensaries. So that's kind of like where it's trended to now in 2025. People in the industry are focusing on organic search because it's cheaper and you're more in control of that. There's a lot of games that Weed Maps plays because they had a lot of leverage. So they'll go and try to spike the prices. But essentially, that's kind of how we scaled our business from 0 to 50 orders a day. And then 2022, 2023, we were doing upwards of 100 to 150 orders per day average. When you're in this industry, you have to figure out what is your niche. Everybody is not your customer. People value things differently. Some people value professionalism. Some people value pricing. Some people value that you're always on time and you have a speedy delivery. You need to figure out what is your niche in this industry and then tailor your business to that specific customer, because the riches are in the niches.
That's cold, bro.